Hello, dear viewers. Hope all of you are well. Today I will show you that how you can add your portfolio in Fiverr. Here you can watching that your project has been saved. It might takes up to 2 minutes to show in on pages. So if I go to my profile, here is my profile. If I go there, profile, we will see there's the profile. If you see here is the portfolio, here is the edit, is the new one is new. So there is a another add project, and you can add in here your uh, images. Okay, so very simple and easy. And if you go click to add, and then you have to click title. What of the title? What kinds of project you have ever did? That type of week's name and your project's title will be here. If you don't do that, you can go to the Gemini, Google Bird, or Bing AI or ChatGPT, which is preferable. You can go there. So, if I go in my profile, here is it. Here is it. There is a 2 weeks ago Spanish buyer. Here is it, and there is a 3 weeks ago Spanish buyer, and here is the Australia 6 months ago, and here is the Australian buyer, and United States. Here is the United States, and here is the also United States. So there are also in my work there are 6 reviews there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and one. Also, I have a one buyer, but I uh, didn't check the review from that. So here I added two, and as Australian and the Spanish. How I can edit there? I will showing here. Just click here about this buyer. That's the buyer. Here is the project I showing. Uh, Australian buyer. I write in here. That's in the project. I write in here. I will show you that I'm back to the project. Here is the project. I show here. Here is the project. I screencasting Australian medical lectures. Okay, this is the lecturer video here in this video. All are lecturers video. For the reasons I write here, that's screencasting Australian medical lecturers video. Okay, and then you have to write here what kinds of project you have done and what the necessary things are there. If you don't uh, have a time, you can go the Google Bird or you can go to the ChatGPT. Okay, by the help of you can write here, and you can add a video here. Whenever you add a project, whenever you click add a project, that time you have to add a video here and select category. Which kind of select category you can select and browse your video and upload PNG as like this. Okay, as like this way. If I click here in my project, here is the video. If I show here is the video is running. Okay, that's the video and that's the lectures. Okay, if I zoom it, you can see. Okay, that's the video is running, and then you have to, if I click this, and then you have to add some images. Which project you have done? Here is the images. Here is the images. Here is the images. So there are 1 to 5 images you have to add. You can add that. And then the second project is that professional screen recording. It's a professional screen recording for Spanish fitness courses, 100 plus videos and 1 hour each. So I will meticulously screen recording for you, span-based fitness courses, ensuring high quality captures of efficiencies, learning, and distributions. My services expert screen recording is just your fitness courses in crystal clear. Like this way, you can write here. And if you don't write, you can go to the Google Word or you can go to the any kinds of AI tools, Bing AI tools or ChatGPT AI tools, and then you have to select some images. Here you can upload that images. Here I am already image. Sorry, I already uh, edit the images here, and then one video is here. If you
En
go,
este curso quiero tocar.
that's the video. It's running. Okay, that's the video. You can upload the videos, like 20 or 15 seconds. That video is as a pro. Okay, by that way you can add your portfolio in your Fiverr. Okay, I hope that should be help to you. If any kinds of help, need help, you can ask me. I will answer in that comments. Okay, thank you very much for watching that video. If you think that the video is helpful, then share with your friends and family and your neighborhoods. Okay, thank you very much.